this is John and I'm starting up my YouTube channel. It's about doing my makeup, my daily routine. Don't forget to subscribe, like and click on the button. I'm gonna be waiting. Bye. So guys, this is like my whole full routine after I've done like my whole full face bit. Okay, I don't have the lashes on, yeah, but this is almost a full face bit, but it's not contouring. So I hope you guys can give me a like for this. What do you say? What is it? A yes or a no? But thank you for watching. Until next time, don't forget to click on the button, like and subscribe.